Today I'll be sharing with you how to make aloo bhindi or potato and okra stir fried. Start off by heating oil on medium-high heat in a large skillet or karai. Once the oil is hot, add thinly sliced red onions. Add a little salt to speed up the cooking process and help them soften. Once they are brown, add in your thinly sliced potatoes. Mix the onion and potatoes well. Cook until the potatoes are brown and then add in all of the spices on screen. If you don't have red chili flakes, simply take 2 to 3 dry red chilies, split them in half and add them. Give this a good mix and then add in your bhindi, which should have been washed, patted dry, and cut into small pieces. Mix really well, and if your bhindi is very sticky and slimy, add the juice of half a lime or lemon. Mix well and cover for 5 to 8 minutes. Garnish with a little garam masala and mix again. Your bhindi masala or potato and okra stir fry is now ready to be devoured. Enjoy with rice or roti and share this with a friend that would love it.